Are you ready for the makeup tutorial that is going to change your makeup game? So today I want to show you how to apply your foundation. We'll be doing it in real time, no skipping, and we're doing the full face. Let me tell you, if you apply this, everything I'm showing you, if you apply it to your makeup game, your makeup is not going to come out patchy or cakey. So we're doing full face. You know me, I don't gatekeep. I'm going to put you on. Okay, girl? First of all, you do your skin prep. If you want a detailed tutorial on that, let me know. And we are using beauty blender today. Make sure you squeeze out. Can you still see water? You can see water, right? You don't want that. Squeeze it out. You can see that, right? There's still water. You don't want water. All right. I think we are solid. So once the water is out of your beauty blender, let me grab my foundation. There's a music in the background. I can control that. A construction is ongoing. All right. So grab your foundation. Put it in the back of your hand. Close your foundation. I'm giving you a step by step because this tutorial is about to change your makeup game, and I'm so certain about that. I'm 100% certain, maybe 99.9%. All right, so put your foundation in the back of your hand, and again, this video is going to be long, so pardon me. Okay, you can see from beauty blender we have the cone shape, we have the flat shape. Just find a flat surface, either of the flat surface. There's no particular one for your beauty blender, and of course grab your mirror. So the flat surface for me, I'll use this one because here is a bit crinkly. Now what will I do? Look at me, please. Pay attention and follow this. I'm about to change your makeup live and I'm so excited. So grab. Can you see what's on my? Can you see what's here? See my hand? No. You see? Work it in your hand. Can you see what's happening? See? Work it. Work it. Can you see what's here right now? Can you see? Work it. Once you're done, now grab your mirror. Now look at me. Pay attention. See where I'm starting from. Like I always say, don't always start from the base of your foundation. See? Now, see where I'm starting from? I hope you can see me. If I'm not looking at the camera directly, I have to look at the mirror so I can see what I'm doing as well. Now, look here. See where I'm starting from? Can you see what's happening here? I didn't pack a punch and go in straight up. I blended it out here. So you're going to be building layer by layer. And when you're blending, it's as if you're blending outward and as if you're blending away. Can you see? Don't apply pressure too hard on your skin like this. Like you're squeezing in, you're going in hard. No, you don't really need much pressure. Do you understand? That's why you have to blend off here. Let me show you. I'll go back in again. So that's what I'm doing. Can you see this? Can you see? No, let me go to this side of my face. You're blending away. Can you see? If after this tutorial you still can't do your foundation, babes, let me know. You think I'm gonna scold you? Girl, no, we're here to learn. Can you see? We're not done. Because by the time I'm going to this edge, I have less product here. Can you see it? Obviously, this place still has a bit more coverage than here, so I'm gonna go back in here again, going with your foundation. Like I said, this video is gonna be in real time. I'm not editing, I'm not skipping. This is just what foundation is. It's building in layers, see? Can you see now that it's well spread out on the beauty blender? Because if you apply directly on your face now, you have to start forcing. You've already spread it out here, it's already thin. Now I'm going back in again here, see? Can you see the way I'm blending? I'm not applying pressure. I don't want to apply it because I don't want to mess up my foundation. See, I'm not applying. Okay, let me show you. I'm not applying like this. See, I'm already applying too much on the spot. So this is it. Can you see? Like pressure, as if you're blending away. You know when a baby, when you're trying to pacify a baby, the way they, they kind of, softly tap the baby's butt. Put that imagination in and do it. Okay, now let's say we're trying to pacify your face. Your face is crying, so you're trying to pacify. Stop crying, you're blending away. That's how you're doing. Can you see? And again, you can see I'm not bringing anything to my high region. I told you it's gonna be long. It's a real-time video. Share it with your friends, okay? You can see you're blending, you're tapping, you're pacifying your face with your foundation, so you're not squeezing. Can you see? Gently, as if you're tapping away, you're brushing something away from the surface of your face. Can you see? This was here. Come to your nose. So you can see what's still this. You can see it's still showing on the nose. I'm moving closer so you can see me. See? That's when you come to your nose. You can see I've not even touched up the forehead, right? Girl, just keep looking at me. Can you see? Even, you can see I didn't go back in. I'm not going back in behind camera and showing you crap. No, this is still what is left here. Come to your nose. Instead of going like this, you can see I'm bringing it down, then outward. See, I'm bringing it down and outward. I'm avoiding my under eye. Go here. So you keep touching. I've not touched my forehead here, but can you see the difference in what I'm doing? And I hope this video is explanatory. If it's not explanatory, let me know so that I can slow down and do another one for you. Again, can you still see I still have this foundation on my end? I'll go back in. Can you see? What do? You tap. I hope you can see me. Can you see? Tap. Can you see? Now we're going to the forehead. All right? Or should I say, you can see I still don't have coverage here. Can you see this side? So I'm going in. I'm going back in there. Just look at your face. Can you see? This is what you can see. Can you see the difference? Now, I still have some foundation. I'm going to go to my forehead. Watch me. You can see I'm blending outward. But look at me here. I'm not bringing it close to my hairline. Girl, I'm telling you, I'm about to change your life. So pay attention. Okay? I hope this video gets to the person that needs it. I really hope it does. My foundation, see, don't bring it here. Close to my hairline, I'm not bringing it here. You can see I'm blending outward, but I'm stopping here. See? Over here, your contour is still going there. Your bronzer is still gonna go there. So you don't want too much product. And you know the hairline, right? It's so easy for things to get smudged there. Just keep looking at me. I'm explaining. See? Here. And again, I'm blending away and pacifying the baby's butt. You see, that's how, just imagine that and use that motion. Can you see? I still haven't touched here. But still, my forehead still doesn't really have coverage well. So I'll go in a little bit. Tap, 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 tap. Then bring it here. You can see me. You can see I'm still not going in. I'm still not touching here. Hold on. Now. My smile line is already showing. Just come back there. That's because I was smiling. I smile with my entire face, so. Can you see? I still haven't touched my forehead. Now, what is left on your beauty blender? You can see it's not much anymore, so you can just come and just touch it up. Girl, you're good. Do you understand what I'm saying? All this thing is detailed for real. I don't know, maybe I'm just talking and I'm not making sense. Because what's the point of teaching if people can get it? You see? So what's left on my beauty blender is what? Do you see what I'm doing here? And again, don't forget your neck. Just bring everything. Girl, see my face. Again, you can see I didn't touch my under eye. I didn't touch here. I didn't touch here. Can you see the difference? So when you're done like this, look at the mirror. Why does it look like there's no foundation, or it's like there's no coverage, or there's still some dark spots showing quite a lot? Just grab little, tap, 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 tap. You're tapping the excess off. You understand? Then look at your face. Here for me. Yeah. If you don't have enough, or you feel like you've tapped the excess off too much, just go back in rather. Over here, I still have a slight minor issue. So what do? So you see, you're not wasting product and your face is not looking like, oh, this person has foundation on. Everything blends seamlessly. Can you see that? See? Can you see? Don't forget the corner of your nose. You see? What's left, you can see it's not much. You can still come back here. If you feel you can touch some places for you, you can do like this. If it's your baby girl, that's how you do apply your foundation. I have just shown you. So I'm about to go have a beautiful makeup on. You understand? I hope this video would help you. And if you feel it's not detailed enough, you still have questions, kindly drop it down below. If I can answer it, I will. If I can, or if I have no idea, I'll tell you I can't. But if you have questions, let me know. If you want it slowed down, kindly let me know. Again, what's the point of teaching something if you, the viewer, don't understand what I'm doing? Okay, so I hope you get it. The girls that get it, and the girls that don't get it, it's absolutely fine. If you want questions, I'll definitely redo it for you. I hope this helps and change your foundation game. Now go have a beautiful makeup, all right? And when you try it, kindly tag me, or should I say drop a comment. Make sure you do make comments, share it with friends or someone who wants to get into makeup but they have no idea. You understand? Especially into personal makeup and the likes. That's all I have to say for now, and take care of yourself. Bye.